In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create links to cards within other cards in Trello. This is a simple yet powerful feature that can help you enhance the connectivity and organization of your Trello board. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to seamlessly link your cards, allowing easy navigation and better structuring of your projects. Let's get started. First, open your Trello board and locate the card you wish to create a link for. This is your starting point. What you need to do is right-click on this card. Under the menu that appears, you'll find an option that says Copy Link. Click on it, and what you've done is effectively copy the direct link to this specific card. It's like grabbing an address that you'll use to direct attention exactly where you want it. Next, navigate to the card where you want to place this link. Open it by clicking on the card itself. You'll notice there are different areas you can use to paste your link. But for now, let's focus on two options, the description or the comments section. It really depends on how visible or contextual you want this link to be. If you want the link to be central to understanding the card's purpose, use the description. If it's more of an add-on or footnote, the comments section will work perfectly. Now, paste the link you've copied into your chosen space. Trello will automatically recognize this as a valid link to another card, and you'll see a button labeled Configure appear alongside your pasted link. This is where you get to decide exactly how this link will function visually and interactively within your card. When you click on the Configure button, you'll face several embedding options to choose from. You can opt to display the link as a simple URL. This keeps things minimalist and straightforward, and is ideal if you're just looking to add direct references without any additional frills. Alternatively, you could choose the inline tag option, which integrates the link into the text more seamlessly, providing a sleek look. Finally, if you want to provide maximum context to the linked card, you can select the whole card option. This will display the linked card as a complete, interactive portion of your current card, giving viewers full access to key details at a glance. Once you've made your selection on how you'd like the link to be presented, just click Save. It's as easy as that. You now have a functioning link between cards on your Trello board, making it easier than ever to navigate related tasks and information. This feature can significantly aid in task management and collaboration, keeping everyone informed and engaged with just a simple click. And there you have it. You've successfully created a link to a card within another card in Trello. Enjoy exploring this feature and see how it can streamline your workflow. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing!